Welcome to the last module of AES 6050, Module 8. This is our last week of our class. So by Thursday or day 4, you're going to turn in your final comprehensive paper. It says here in the description your paper should be a maximum of 5 pages. That's probably going to be a little bit longer than that because I've added some things to the paper that I think are beneficial to you. Don't worry about that. This does not include the table or the reference page or the cover page. A minimum 6 peer-reviewed sources should be included in the paper, and a minimum of 4 of those are going to be your original peer-reviewed sources that you're going to use to answer your PICO question. Okay. The other additional citations should be used in the clinical scenarios and clinical bottom line and implications section of the paper. Okay. So the paper must be formatted with the following sections, which I have. I provided that template for you already that you did with your rough draft. So again, the table from the Module 3 assignment and the module the table for this assignment added the validity of instruments, types of stats, and this conclusion and clinical implications, and the level of evidence. Okay, that was not in the Module 3. So this is due on Thursday. Then that's the big assignment, worth a lot of points. So make sure that you take your time and make sure you any feedback that I gave you last week on your Module 3, your Module 7 comprehensive paper, make sure you read that. And any of the assignments that are rough drafts for this, make sure that you read that feedback and make any adjustments. Our last discussion board post for our class is you're going to do a presentation of your comprehensive paper. You want to format it a PowerPoint or a Prezi presentation. Make sure that you follow the formatting for how to avoid death by PowerPoint. So this is due Wednesday or day 3. So in your presentation, provide your PICO question. Probably one slide. The next slide, why you chose this, or you can be part of your presentation on the first one, why you chose this PICO question. Provide a quick overview of the literature, differences, similarities, and the results. Provide the clinical implications. Provide a reference slide following APA. You may want to include audio, like I'm doing here, in your presentation. So that's due on Wednesday. Then by Friday, or day 5, you're going to respond to 2 of your fellow peers, providing them feedback. And make sure that your posts are a minimum of 1 paragraph in length. Okay, that is it for the last week of our class. The paper's due Thursday, and this threaded discussion post is due Wednesday, and your responses are due Friday.